Hello fellow travel enthusiasts. Get ready for some exciting news. Saudi Arabia is making it easier than ever to experience its wonders. They've launched a free visa program for 2025. Yes, you heard that right. Explore without spending a rial on your visa. This reflects Saudi Arabia's commitment to tourism. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or a culture enthusiast, Saudi Arabia has something for you. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Now let's talk about what this free visa actually offers. Saudi Arabia is providing two fantastic options for travelers. First, we have the 4-day transit visa. This visa is perfect for those who have a layover in Saudi Arabia and want to make the most of it. Instead of staying confined to the airport, you can step out and experience a glimpse of Saudi Arabia's charm, explore the city, indulge in some local delicacies, and immerse yourself in the culture all within those 4 days. Second, we have the free visa for travelers from select countries. This option provides a longer stay, allowing you to truly delve into the heart of Saudi Arabia. The visa is electronically linked to your passport, making the entire process smoother and more convenient. Both options are incredible opportunities to experience Saudi Arabia without the added cost of a visa. It's important to note that the free visa doesn't cover your travel expenses, accommodation, or other personal expenditures. However, it does remove a significant financial barrier, making your Saudi Arabian adventure much more accessible. So, whether you're stopping by for a short visit or planning an extended exploration, Saudi Arabia's free visa program has got you covered. Now you might be wondering, am I eligible for this amazing opportunity? The good news is that Saudi Arabia has opened its doors to a wide range of nationalities. Citizens of many countries can now avail of the free visa, making it easier than ever before to experience the magic of Saudi Arabia. For the 4-day transit visa, you're eligible if you're flying with one of the participating airlines. These airlines cover a vast network, ensuring that travelers from various corners of the globe can benefit from this opportunity. For the free visa, the eligibility criteria depend on your nationality. Saudi Arabia has recently expanded the list of eligible countries, welcoming even more travelers to explore its wonders. This expansion reflects Saudi Arabia's commitment to promoting tourism and cultural exchange. To check if your country is on the list of eligible nations, you can visit the official website of the Saudi Ministry of Foreign Affairs or the website of your nearest Saudi embassy or consulate. These websites provide comprehensive and up-to-date information on visa requirements and eligibility criteria, so don't wait any longer. Head over to these websites and see if you're eligible to grab this fantastic opportunity to experience the beauty and wonder of Saudi Arabia. Section 4. Applying for your visa, a piece of cake. Now that you know about the free visa options and eligibility criteria, let's move on to the most exciting part: applying for your visa. The process is incredibly straightforward, designed to be hassle-free and convenient for all applicants. If you're eligible for the 4-day transit visa, you can apply for it directly through the participating airline's website. Simply visit their website, navigate to the visa application section, and follow the easy-to-understand instructions. For the free visa, the process is equally simple. Head over to the official visa portal of the Saudi Ministry of Foreign Affairs and create an account. Once you've registered, you can fill out the online application form, providing your personal information, travel details, and passport details. The application form is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step with clear instructions. Make sure to double-check all the information you provide to avoid any delays or issues with your application. Once you've submitted your application, you'll receive a confirmation email. The processing time for both the transit visa and the visa is generally quite fast. However, it's always a good idea to apply in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season, to avoid any last-minute hiccups. Section 5. Saudi Arabia awaits. Unveil the magic. With your visa secured, get ready to be captivated by the wonders that await you in Saudi Arabia. This fascinating country offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every interest and passion. Explore the ancient city of Madain Salih, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Head to the Empty Quarter for an unforgettable dune-bashing adventure. Dive into the Red Sea and discover vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Saudi Arabia offers a vibrant art scene with numerous galleries and museums. Explore bustling souks for unique handicrafts, spices, and souvenirs. Experience the warmth and hospitality of Saudi Arabia's people. Section 6. Don't miss out, your Saudi adventure begins now. Saudi Arabia's free visa program for 2025 is an incredible opportunity to explore a country that is rapidly opening up to the world. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes, Saudi Arabia promises an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient ruins, experiencing thrilling adventures, or immersing yourself in local culture, Saudi Arabia has something to offer everyone. The simplified visa process makes it easier than ever before to turn your travel dreams into reality. So, what are you waiting for? Check your eligibility, apply for your free visa, and get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey to the heart of the Arabian Peninsula. Saudi Arabia awaits with open arms, ready to share its magic with the world. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to experience the beauty, wonder, and hospitality of Saudi Arabia. Start planning your trip today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 7. Important notes to remember. While the free visa program makes traveling to Saudi Arabia more accessible, it's crucial to keep a few essential things in mind. Respect the local customs and traditions. Saudi Arabia is an Islamic country with conservative values. Dress modestly, be mindful of your behavior in public, and respect local customs and traditions. Plan your trip in advance. While Saudi Arabia is rapidly developing its tourism infrastructure, it's still advisable to plan your trip in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Book your flights, accommodation, and tours ahead of time to avoid any last-minute hassles. Stay informed about safety and security. Like any travel destination, it's essential to stay informed about safety and security guidelines. Check for any travel advisories issued by your government and follow the advice of local authorities. By being prepared and respectful, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip to this captivating country. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to experience the magic of Saudi Arabia. If you've got thoughts on the free visa, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on travel tips and updates for the latest information on visiting Saudi Arabia.